Hello, welcome back, and this is the second portion of the guitar course. Straight away, I want to get you in playing something musical straight away. I want you to really enjoy playing the guitar, so the aim of this lesson is to get you hit the ground running, basically. So today we're going to look at power chords, and power chords are the bare basics of chords when it comes to rock and pop music. An example of a power chord would be that's one. There's an easier way than that, which involves just two fingers, and there's even easier fingering, but it's only applicable to open strings on the guitar, which is one finger. So let's get a good look at them. Okay, this is what a power chord looks like, using the chord chart and the tablature that were discussed in the last episode. As you can see on the chord chart, we are fretting the second fret, 1, 2, second fret on the E string, and the fourth fret on the A string, 1, 2, 3, 4. This here in tablature form is exactly the same. Second fret on the E string, fourth fret on the A string. This shape is movable. You can move this all along the E string, and you can also move it down to the A string, so you're fretting with your index finger on the A string. As long as you keep the shape the same with the fret separation between them, between one string and the next string, then that chord can be played anywhere. And it's just a matter of taste as to what progression you come up with and what you feel sounds good. There is also an open position of the power chord, which uses one finger, very simple, which would be fretting with the index finger on the second fret of the A string, but also playing the E string open. That would look like this on tablature. And you can move this down across the strings down to the A string. So you're not fretting the A string, but you're ringing the A string out open, and you are fretting the second fret of the D string. An example of that would be if my guitar wasn't out of tune. Right, okay, so I'm sure you would like to be able to play something popular by the end of this lesson. So we're going to look at Smells Like Teen Spirit by Nirvana, which is probably one of the most basic songs there is as far as power chords go. So we're going to take that shape, two finger shape, and we're going to fret from the first fret on the E string and the third fret on the A string. This is your first chord. So it's down, up, down. The strumming, and you're only hitting the first two strings. 1, 2, 3. And you lift your hand off and you just lie it on top of the strings. It's called a left hand mute, and you strum the whole strings, all the strings. So just like that. And then you move the shape down onto the A string. So on the A string, you're fretting the first fret. On the D string, you're fretting the third fret. 1, 2, 3. So then you move that whole thing up to the fourth fret. So you're fretting the fourth fret on the E string, sixth fret on the A string. Then you move it down again. 4th fret on the A string, 6th fret on the D string, So rhythmically, this shape here, those two chords are exactly the same as those two chords here. So this would be the first section of it rhythmically. 1, 2, 3, scratch, 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 scratch. 1, 2, 3. Then that shape gets shifted down to the 4th fret and repeated again. It will look something like this. The second phrase looks like this. 1, 2, 3, scratch, 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 scratch. 1, 2, 3. These scratches here, that's, as I was saying earlier, where you lay your left hand across the strings and still sound the strings with the plectrum. This is called left-handed muting. And all in all, the whole pattern sounds like this. Well, congratulations, you now know your first two chord shapes, your first two power chord shapes, also known as fifth chords, and you now know how to play a popular song. Give this a good practice over the week. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget about the little notifications bell on YouTube, because that pushes the videos to the top, helps the channel, and also helps you be more aware when the next video is out. Please get involved, please comment any queries, just comment under the video and I will get straight back to you. Thank you very much for participating.